Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Diablo 4 crashing on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Library. This will display all the games you currently have installed or associated with your account. Now, I don't actually have Diablo 4 in my library list, but I'm going to walk you through the next steps anyway. Let's pretend that I have Diablo 4 installed so you can follow along with the exact process. Once you locate Diablo 4 in your library, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This will open a new window with various settings and configurations specific to Diablo 4. In the Properties window, navigate to the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle. Go ahead and toggle it off. Turning off the Steam overlay can actually help resolve the crashing issue because it reduces the number of processes running simultaneously while you're playing, which can sometimes conflict with the game's performance. Next, look for launch options. Below this label, you'll see a text field. Click on that text field and type in -DX11. This command forces the game to run using DirectX 11 instead of DirectX 12, which is often more stable and can prevent crashes on certain systems. Now, in the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section gives you access to tools that manage your game files. Here, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This tool will scan all your game files and compare them to the original versions on Steam servers. If any files are corrupted or missing, Steam will automatically download and replace them. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just wait for it to finish completely. Once the verification is done, go ahead and restart Steam entirely. Close the application and reopen it. Then try launching Diablo 4 again to see if the crashing issue has been resolved. One more important step, you also need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of game crashes. Head over to your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether that's Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific card. After you've updated your drivers, restart your PC. This ensures all the changes take effect properly and gives your system a fresh start. With these steps, you should have fixed the crashing issue and be able to enjoy Diablo 4 without interruptions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.